Cold and cough can be tough, especially in situations that require your utmost concentration and alertness. Drowsiness caused by other cough syrups can be detrimental and sometimes even life-threatening. Don't let drowsiness affect your life or career. Are you worried about your presentation due to sore throat? Is your cough and cold keeping you away from your child? Is cough, cold and sore throat hampering your professional and personal life? Say no to cough and sore throat with Zecuf, syrup and lozenge. Zecuf helps fight cough and sore throat while keeping you active all day. Trusted herbal remedy for symptomatic relief from cough and sore throat. Now, enjoy each moment in life with Zecuf, available in different flavors. Trusted herbal remedy for symptomatic relief from cough and sore throat.